Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's card features the Framed and Festive stamp set and the Fitting Florets Designer Series paper and Framed Florets dies. The Framed and Festive stamp set and the Fitting Florets Designer Series paper are only available while stocks last. I've put a link in the description bar below. I'm using this stamp here, this image here today, and I've used one of the dies from the Framed and Florets dies to actually cut out some of from this paper. So some of these images are designed to cut out with one of these dies, so it just helps if you don't feel like stamping or you don't want to do any fussy cutting. If you've got these dies, they're a great alternative. In addition to cutting out these dies, also cut an oval, so they cut the main piece, that white piece, and then they cut an extra piece, which is the oval around the outside. So when I ran this one through my embossing folder, you come out with two pieces. So what I've done is I've cut one in basic white, and then I cut another one in blushing bright to get that offset look to tie in with the flowers here. So let me show you how I put the card together. Using a piece of balmy blue cardstock, which I have cut lengthwise and folded in half. I've got another piece of balmy blue as well, and I've run that through my in my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine using the gingham embossing folder. I'm going to bring in the balmy blue ink and classic ink and stamp using that one, and we'll just stamp that image in balmy blue. I'm going to go slightly more towards the top of the oval. Okay. And going to put that straight onto the card with a couple of dimensionals. Just centre that. And then I'm going to place this frame, which I cut out separately in another colour, just around the outside. So let's use a little bit of Tombow, just so I don't get, it's going to use our little tweezers. So I don't want too much Tombow, because I don't want it to leak out, just enough. And then just pop it over so it fits perfectly. Go. Now I've gone ahead already and cut out that beautiful floral image, and I used another couple of the dies from the Fitting Framed Florets dies, these three here, and I cut out these beautiful pieces in Evening Evergreen. So I'm going to tuck them in around here, so I'm just going to pop that one on first with, I think we'll use dimensionals. Coming in around there, and then it's just a matter of placing the rest of this foliage sort of around here to frame the rest of the picture, the card. Just a little bit of Tombow. And down here. It's a really nice, really pretty die. Really pretty die set. Very delicate. And I'm going to finish it off with some Pearl Basic jewels. This makes a really pretty and soft card for Christmas. Non-traditional colours, but I think it looks really pretty, especially with that background of that gingham embossing folder. I really like that embossing folder. And adhere that with some dimensionals. So I've put a link in the description bar below for all of the products that I've used. And if you click on them, you'll be taken directly to my Stampin' Up website. There we go. And there we have it. Really easy card put together using the Framed and Festive stamp set and the very pretty framed Florets dies and the designer series paper. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I hope you have a great and really happy crafting day. Bye.